525. 525. The society currently has got 15,600 registered members, out of which 8,000 are male and 7,000 are female. 600 are youths. The society is composed of 5 factories, as we have already mentioned, namely Kenyenya Main, Kenyenya Nyabioto, Kenyenya Umugumo, Kenyenya Eburi, and Borabu. The society's full mandate is mainly to pool and process members' coffee in readiness for milling. The coffee farming is one of the economic activities in Kisii County. However, the subsector experiences a lot of challenges. Challenges are on production, agro-processing, and market. The average coffee production for Kenyenya FCS is 3 kilograms per tree per year, against the potential of 10 kg per tree per year in other areas. This is due to inadequate access to certified seedlings, high cost of inputs, pests, and diseases, inadequate skills and knowledge in coffee management This has resulted in low coffee productivity. The society has all infrastructures which negatively affect the processing of coffee. The Enterprise Development Plan, that is NAFCDP, seeks to address the challenges faced by the farmers through proposed activities with the objective of enhancing coffee productivity, processing efficiency for improved quality coffee, and increased income. The proposed activities comprise improvement of infrastructure, such as purchase and installation of ecoparipa machines, construct of metallic drying beds, tiring of fermentation tanks, installation of security system, that is CCTV. We intend to put 8 cameras in our factories. There is that problem of we also want to install high mast lighting and procurement of moisture meter that would assist us in actually checking whether our coffee has tried to the expected standards. This investment will increase the processing efficiency, reduce parchment damage, minimize operational costs, and maintain parchment quality, therefore increasing the overall profitability of the society. The modernization interventions and activities will cost 909,347,000, of which 10% will be contributed by the society, with enough CTP contributing Kenya shilling 8.4 million, and the society contributing 937,000. We are happy to report that we had been cooperating with the following RINE ministries, that is the Ministry of Agriculture, who are actually the policy formulation and project implementers, Ministry of Cooperatives, that is Kisii County, who gives guidelines, Public Works, who give us drawing and designs, Kisii County Government, which assists us in capacity building and giving us extension services. We are happy with the NAFCDP, as I have said, Your Excellency, because you witnessed when we were given a check of 8.4 million. You are the one who launched the program, and you are the one who gave us the check at Kisii Gusii Stadium. We are going to implement what we had proposed to be implemented. We want to assure you that the funds that were given to us will be used properly with the intended intention. With those fuel marks, I thank you for getting time to come and maybe talk to our farmers and tell them the way forward in improving our coffee production. Thank you.
Abalimi mwe iguboli Okay. Your Excellency, kuna kitu moja nilisahau tafadhali. Wakati niliingia hii kazi na hii timu yangu iko hapa, tulipata society ikiwa na mateni dere. Tukaambiwa kuna waiving ya mateni imekuja from the national government. Ikatoka ikaenda kwingine, Kisii haijawahi kanyaga. Tunakuomba tafadhali, as our spokesman, utufuatilie wefu ya Kisii tujue ilienda wapi, kwa sababu kuna vile imetuaffect kwa wakulima. Ingekuja tukilie hiyo madeni, wakulima wote private planters hawangepata kahawa hata moja. Tunaomba uifuatilie kama kuna uwezekano. Thank you.
Mbia mono monya kirugo moko mwakira chingo bine timu ya yote emire. Mbia mono. Chairman tafadhali unaitwa. Chairman unaitwa. Your Excellency the Governor pamoja na wageni wote, kwa ruhusa yako sasa nikubalie nimuite Waziri wa Kilimo Mheshimiwa Elijah aweze kuendelea. Karibu waziri.
Asante sana Bwana MC. Your Excellency the Governor Paul Simbarati, Honorable Dr. Gathoni wa Mchomba, who is our chief guest, MP for Githunguri, Honorable Obadia Barongo, who is our area MP, the leader of majority, MCS present, Deputy County Commissioner, colleague CCs, directors, members of the public who are here. It's another good day that we have had an opportunity to congregate here because of our farming activities. Before I proceed, I will ask that I introduce those who have accompanied us from the county. Directors and any other county employees, can you stand up so that you can wave? Thank you, Your Excellency. That is the team which has come. May I also ask the chief officers who are here to come forward so that they can introduce themselves. Apparently, tuko na mmoja peke yake, who is also the chief officer agriculture, livestock and fisheries. She can say her name and
Thank you, Your Excellency, Governor Simbarati, the chief guests, the area MP, and all feasters. Good afternoon. I'm glad today to be here with the Kenyanya farmers. Abalimi ba Kenya nyambu ya mole. Mubwato magoko. Ntora igwa. We are so much happy that we are here to promote coffee farming. Our farmers are hardworking. We are there to assist so that they can have good production. Your Excellency, it's your day and the feast that you have brought. My name is Agnes Choti. As you have heard, I'm in charge of the Department of Agriculture, Fisheries, Livestock, and Cooperative Development in Kisii County. Thank you so much for you considering agriculture to be ahead of other departments because it is the economy of Kisii. Aba Gusii na abale mitole. Eka waya ito irenga motagete toni. Mole tayari mwabwati robo kombe. Yasao yo togendere.
Thank you for that. CC is present. Please come forward quickly. The weather is not with us.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you, Excellency. Kwa majina ni Eric Miyenda, mimi ni waziri wa elimu katika kaunti ya Kisii. Nimeomba dakika moja niweze kuelezea wazazi kwamba mlijaza basari na najua mnangoja kwa muda mrefu, lakini tunawajulisha kwamba kulikuwa na kesi ambayo haijakamilishwa, ndio maana hatujaanza kuwapatia hiyo basari. Kwa hivyo mtasikiza wakati wowote hiyo kesi itakamilika, tutakuja kwenu tuwaambie kwamba tuko tayari. Na ikishindikana pia tutawaambia. Maana kuna vile wamesema county governments hazifai kupeana basari. Wale wa national